Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you're doing really good at the start of the week, and I just wanted to share a quick recipe for this really rainy day that is so cold. It'll warm you right up and it'll get you going for the rest of the day. So it's a chai tea recipe, really good, really delicious, and really fast to make. You just need to have the ingredients and I'll show you what you need. Alright, for the ingredients, we have coconut milk. I use this Trader Joe's, that's the vanilla flavor, really packed with flavor. You almost don't need extra sugar or sweeteners. It just depends on your taste, but I really don't use anymore. A black tea of your taste. This one we kept the nice container, but it just has the regular tea in here. Black tea. Then you're gonna need how do you call this thing? I'll come back to this. This one is a oh my gosh, I can't remember anything. Cardamom. Cardamom seeds, and these are the pods. These are pods basically. Oops. Okay, everything's going away. It was the seed, and then you open it and it has these little seeds, and they're really flavorful. You're gonna need also fresh ginger. If you don't have it, you can use powdered ginger. You also need nutmeg. This is just a sliver that I'm left with, but this is the whole thing, the nutmeg. You're gonna need a little thing here to grate it, a grater. You also need anise. If you like anise, it's a strong flavor, but it's delicious. And you also need cinnamon sticks. I'm almost at the end of this. I'll use pretty much everything here. I think that's it, guys. Oh, for your ginger, you can use your knife, or you can use this fancy slicer that I got from a Japanese store, but I love it, and it slices it really thin, the ginger. And so this one is clavo en español. How do you call this? It's the see if it comes back to mind. I'm thinking. I still can't remember. I'll get back to that. Okay, so what you need to do, have your milk heat up and simmer, and you're gonna start putting all your ingredients. You're gonna put the cardamom, anise. I should have had this ready. A little bit of anise, don't go crazy with the anise because it can be very strong. Cinnamon, you do need the cinnamon because it's important. You're gonna need at least 2 or 3 cloves. I like cloves. Cloves, that's what the name is. Oh my goodness. Awesome. I remembered it just by talking about it. Okay, then you're gonna need to slice your ginger, and I'll do that off camera right now and I'll get back. Okay, I did the ginger, and I like it gingery, so 3 slices if you want more. Just let it simmer, and we'll come back to it. And after it simmers for about 2-3 minutes, you're gonna turn off the heat, and then you're gonna throw in your tea bag, which is a black tea, and you're gonna be set. I'll be back when that's done. Alright guys, so this has already steeped with the tea for about 3 minutes, and I already took out the tea and just kind of like squeezed everything that the tea had. And now I'm just left with all this like good stuff in here, but we don't want to drink this because that would be very annoying. So I have my cup here and a strainer, and we're gonna strain our tea. And this is such a delicious, just the flavors all are gonna burst in your mouth, and you're gonna feel it's like a comfort food right here. And it has all those spices that you saw. It's really good. Hope you guys like it, and it's a breeze to make. Take care. Ooh, also, if you're wondering how much this yields, this will yield about 4 cups of 8 ounces. But if you do about this is about 6 ounces, it will yield a little bit more. But it's really worth it. Make the whole pack of milk, the whole carton of milk, because you're gonna want to make more afterwards, and you'll have some for later.